So I previously installed this Tempest incorrectly. I actually have it to where it is mounted horizontally, and it really needs to be mounted vertically pointing up. So otherwise, it's not going to get enough sunlight. It needs to get some actual sunlight on the top to be able to charge. So here's how to install your Tempest correctly. And then we've got the mounting bracket right here. It also comes with a pole mount, but I'm just using the mounting bracket. It's just held on by a single screw. We can actually pull this up and off. And then we can take our screw out. And then I'm going to go ahead and mount it over here vertically instead. So I just need to put my screw back into the wood. And now I can mount the Tempest properly, the right way. All right, there we go. And that's it. Now you're good to go. It should get enough sunlight to charge. Hopefully this tree above me doesn't shade it out too much. So that way it will actually be able to charge the battery and turn on. They do have a booster pack as well. So if you're noticing that your device isn't getting enough solar power, you can get the booster pack that should keep the battery alive when it does go out or when it's too cloudy outside. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and make sure to mount your Tempest vertically instead of horizontally like I did. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.